This is a demo video for complete respiration in the 3D diaphragm. Here is a sample animation showing the heart and the movement of the diaphragm. This movement of the diaphragm allows the lungs to change volume, bringing in fresh air and expiring old air. The movement of the diaphragm also displaces and massages the internal organs. This is one of the many animations available in the full video. To learn more about respiration or to purchase a full-length, high-resolution copy of Complete Respiration and the 3D Diaphragm, visit www.3dyoga.com.